Alright, new project in the house. So this iPod here does work. The only problem, the battery doesn't hold a charge. So what I'm going to do is change out the battery. I'm not going to upgrade any internals. All I'm going to do is just replace the battery because I have here a potential buyer for this thing. He wants it with a original type battery, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Focus, focus, focus. There we go. That camera was having a hard time focusing. Anyways, so package just came in. So we're going to take a dive into it and see if we have the right item. Yeah. Try. Alright. File that off to the side. And it looks like it is the right item. Make sure I don't cut the ribbon. Just want to verify it's okay. Yep, looks good to me. What do you think? And now we're going to dive into this. Alright, now is the time the fun begins. Grab a couple of tools over here. Not sure what I'm going to need, but we'll figure it out along the way. So let's see. I think starting down here is the best bet. Could be wrong, but we'll see. Okay, you went in. Problem is, I'm not getting this corner here. There we go. Let's say I'll leave that in there. Now this is going to be my first time doing one of these, so bear with me. Oh, okay. It's already lifted on this side. Okay, that's a good sign. Pop on that one. Gee. Oh man. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Let me see. Oh. I was going to see if I can get the other side now while holding that one in. Yeah, this side here doesn't want to come out. There we go. Oh, I think I got it. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah, that wasn't easy. I'll tell you that much right now. Let's see here. Disconnect that. Flip this over. Wow, look at that battery. It's swollen. Holy moly. Wow. And let's see. Not going to touch anything else. Yeah, there's a couple things that I messed up on here. Jeez. Let's see. I know there's ribbons underneath here. I gotta be careful. Yeah, she's on here. So what do I have to do? Use alcohol, right? Let me go get some alcohol. Let's see if we can spray it in there and attack the adhesive. Meanwhile, I'll use this little pry bar and see if I can get in here without damaging the underneath ribbon. Oh, there it is. That's the one I don't want to ruin. Okay, getting there. It's looking alright. Let's see. Oh man. Maybe a little more. Oh, I got it. Wow, look at this battery. Look at the thickness on this compared to that. Wow. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and clean this off and then install the new battery. I want this completely dry, of course, right? Look at all these little bits. I broke some plastic. But hey, for my first time, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Not the greatest, but you know what? I learned a couple of things today. What that is, don't ask me. Yeah. Alright, do that. I'm just going to clean this. Alright, that's looking good right there. Next, flip her over. Get the ribbon in there. There we go. Alright, she's powering on. Before I close her up, I want to make sure everything works. Alright, looking good. And she's playing right there. Pause. Hold that down and it turns it off. Puts it in sleep mode. Want it back on? There we go. Back up, back up, back up. There we have it. Alright, not bad of a job. A little stressful on the clips. I broke a few, that's for sure. Especially down here. I got a little bit of a gap here, which is minimal, but this side's closed up, this side's closed up, it's just right here. Other than that, a little bit of scarring, but not bad. I think something's up over here too. Ah, boy. Anyways, she's good enough for me. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and charge her up. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick repair. On to the next project we go. Oh, by the way, I have no idea where this screw goes to. I can't even put it down. There it is. So it is what it is.